The Crow and the Sparrow. Long, long time ago, the crow was white at the time. The crow and sparrow were friends. One day the crow reached Sparrow home. He knocked at the door. Sparrow, Sparrow, open the door. Sparrow opened the door. The crow said, I am very hungry. Give me something to eat. Sparrow said, sorry, I do not have anything to eat. She suggested, you go and bring rice and I will bring plus. Then we will cook khichdi. The crow said, okay. Both of them flew away and brought both things. Then they cooked khichdi. Sparrow said, and have bath in the river, go first, and then we will eat khichdi. The crow said, no, I will not go. You can go. I will wait for you. The sparrow flew away to have bath. The crow opened the pot and ate all the khichdi and closed his eyes. Pretended to sleep. Soon Sparrow, come back. Let's eat khichdi. But there was no khichdi in the pot. She asked Crow, have you eaten the khichdi? Crow said, no. Sparrow again asked him, did you eat? Crow replied, no, I did not eat. The sparrow asked third time, tell me true, did you eat khichdi? Crow said, no, and the crow became black. Moral: we must always speak the truth.